Raven. Oh, look at that view.
Not too bad, pigeon. Say, I'm feeling a little peckish. Wanna grab some grub?
Oh, I could eat. Ooh, say, that bakery down on 4th, toss it out at Stayholt's about now.
Oh, yes sir, yes sir. I could dive straight at a dumpster bagel. Hey! Watch your flight pass, you pasty feather fuck.
Oh, where am I? Where am I?
What's up with this wackadoodle dog?
Relax, big guy. Just take a breath.
Oh, Debbie! Where's Debbie? Dear feather in heaven, where's Debbie?
Debbie, I don't know Debbie. Do you know Debbie?
I don't know, no, Debbie's dog here must have whacked herself on a window. Brains is all tapioca.
Oh, it's okay. I'm alive. Oh, yes, I'm alive.
Of course you're alive. Now why don't you straighten your beak and explain why you almost pushed me and my dearest compadre
And my fellow dearest compadre.
off this here roof.
Sorry, I was just in a box.
Oh, come on already. Speak the fuck up or fuck the fuck off.
No, it was a box. Totally dark, except for these little pinholes of light. I could make out my friends. We were scared. We thought we were goners. And then I saw Debbie stumbling around, and then we just clutched onto each other for dear life.
Oh, so you and Debbie are those type of doves, eh?
Which is totally acceptable.
Then we heard these sounds, this wave of noise, screams and yelling, and then, oh God, and then...
Did I just go deaf or did she stop squawking?
The story makes as much sense as a colostomy bag on a buffet table.
Dong, 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 ding, dong, ding, dong,
This gal is as useful as a marshmallow dildo.
I gotta say, I never liked the taste of marshmallow.
bells. There were bells just ringing over and over and over again. And then it got so bright I couldn't see, but I just knew I had to fly into the light. But then suddenly I was being hit.
Ooh, hitting a few fermented berries is more what it sounds like to me.
Rice! It was hitting me from every direction.
Rice.
Rice.
Thousands of them pelting my body, but I just flew up and up and up, and then I landed here. But I don't even know what happened to Debbie.
Again with the Debbie. This gal is so dense like things around her.
Oh, Debbie is fine. You're a wedding dove lady.
A what?
A prop for humans. Congratulations on a useless existence. Well, good night and good luck.
What? No, you can't leave me alone. I don't know what to do. I need cage and a seed and where is the newspaper bathroom located?
No!
Come on, I feel bad for the girl. Look at her. She reminds me of my cousin with the one short wing. The one that can only fly around in cycles.
You're such a sap. Fine.
Ooh,
It's been getting dull anyway. We could use some new blood.
that's the spirit. All right, Dove. Luck has shined upon you. You can pally-pal around with us since you're obviously a moron.
What does that mean?
What Pigeon here is trying to say is you can hang around with us and we'll show you the ropes.
The best place is to find some grub. The best place is to hang out in the summer.
Best place is to find some tail, and best statues to shit your way to Nirvana.
Really? You would do that for me?
Sure. End of the day, us birds gotta stick together.
Wow, you guys are the best. I don't know how to thank you, Pigeon. And you too, Crow.
What?
Oh shit.
Did you just call me the C word?
I don't know what you mean, Crow.
No! What? I look like a crow to you? All black feather birds look the same, is that it?
No, I didn't mean
Oh, you men! You fucking men! Look at you! You white privileged, cage raised, benzene eating birdies! I should have known the fucking moment I laid eyes on you!
Relax, she's PTSD is old and probably inbred. You know what happens in those cages?
Abandoned by both men beaches! You even don't have pride, you fucking shut up! No good, okay!
Stop kicking
May all birds live in harmony. We are all one, perched upon the electric line of the universe. For remember the rule of all birds. So, get your shit together.
The fuck just happened?
I don't know. Maybe. Ooh. But, hey, Deb. You okay?
Maybe. I think so. Yeah. Raven, I'm sorry for what I called you. It was not intentional. I hope you can find it in your heart to forgive me.
Sure. Hey, like I said, tweet, rock, tweet on. Sorry for overreacting like that.
Okay. So we're all good?
Yeah.
All right. Say, before brunch, let's go shit on some hipsters. I don't know about you two, but this whole thing has got my sphincter acting up something fierce.
So does that mean I can still stay with you guys?
Of course. Fast is fast, no hard feelings.
Wow. That just means so much to me that I could just...
Ryan?
It sounds like two thoughts battling it out for supremacy. I'm just so happy. Right, enough with the racket. Calm down.
Okay, I'm good.
You better be. One more sound like that, I'm gonna rip your eyelids out and use them as earplugs.
Okay, you got it.
And you know, maybe later we can go find your friend Debbie.
That's the way. All right, ladies. Prepare for takeoff.
I'm coming for you, Debbie, and I'm bringing our new friends with me.